there are 5 or 6 manufacturers in India, but we are 400 manufacturers in Kashmir who are sufficing, who are fulfilling the demand of the world. 80% of the world's cricket bat demand is being fulfilled by Kashmir only.
The pace at which the willow trees are cut down, it doesn't go with the same that are planted. So we are already in touch with the government and other officials regarding this, so that our next generation won't have any shortage of the willow trees.